everybody, welcome. I'm going to just show you how I put the color into this beautiful Towhee red eye. I used Alizarin Crimson, Cadmium Orange Light, and Cadmium Yellow Light. I've got this wonderful stick here to balance my hand and a very fine liner brush. Now that I've added all the contrasting colors of the bird's head, it helps show the eye better. Now I'm going to fill this in a little more with those colors. Now I'm adding the black. Just a little bit more contrasting colors. Now I'm going to put in a little bit of white and ultramarine blue for the gleam in the eye. Just keep sharpening that color. The ultramarine blue and white help to give just a little bit of shadow highlight. Now I'm going to keep trimming around the outside of the eye with some dark and then some light little hairs. And then I'm going to add a little more yellow light to add a little bit brightness. Now I'm adding a little bit more crimson and orange to shadow the parts of the eye that will be shadowed, and a little bit of highlight. A little more highlight. I'm going to come back in and put a little bit more ultramarine blue in there and a little bit of pure white for that gleam, that sparkle. Beautiful, just brings the eye to life. And I'm going to come back around with some finishing colors. And then I realized that it wasn't quite sharp enough, so I felt like I kept losing that. So I brought it back in for you to show you how I fixed that. So glad you joined me today, and I will have more tutorials for you soon. Just wanted to show you how I did this eye and the sparkle. Just focusing around the eye. All those little colors help to bring that eye to life. Tiny adds of orange. Beautiful. Isn't that just beautiful? It just lights it up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon.